Welcome to another episode of Cabin Chronicles, where we chat in the cabin of BGen leaders to take a sneak peek into their lives. I'm your host, Debulina Banerjee, and today we have Mr. Jeevan Joy with us. He is the National Head of Investigation and Loss Mitigation with a focus on non motor health and recoveries. So let's recover, or rather, uncover some interesting facts about him in today's episode. Welcome to the show. It's such a pleasure.
Thank you, Devolina, to having me here. And it's the first time I'm featuring in a video. Very thankful that you have been chosen me to have this Cabin Chronicle.
Absolutely. The pleasure is all ours. So let's start from your early life. Tell us your days as a mechanical engineer.
So I'll start little early. That I'm been born and brought up from Kerala, raised from there. So in Kerala, there is a custom if in a family, if a son or a daughter, if they're born, they say that son will go to engineering and the daughter will go for medicine. Okay, this is how they plan from the childhood. So I studied my all the schools in Kerala and in the pre-degree. That means that time it was college, not plus two. Even I done in Kerala. And after that, I wrote almost all the engineering exams for the entrance test to get into Kerala or in the outside of Kerala. So luckily I got, also unluckily I got into Kerala again. So I just want to come out of that place, but still I got into engineering for Kerala. But I wrote in Karnataka. After the classes started 2 months down the lane, we got any information that one more seat is available in Karnataka. So my mom told that, yeah, you should go there. Because as you know, Mallus speak very good accent in English. No? So we have a problem that. So we used to say, like, give me a floppy, I want to copy it. Purse, auto. So this is the way we talk. We want to improve it. So she told you should go to Bangalore. It's a pure fear. I went to Bangalore. I know that I cannot talk in that way with the people of the mixed culture is there in Bangalore. A lot of people come from Delhi, all those places. So engineering first year has gone like with fear, studies, not able to talk. And the second year onwards, I stood to do, we should come out of this. We should start talking. There I learned almost all the multi-linguistic language, multi-level language, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu. Then I started talking to everyone. So second year on this, after that completion, as that days, all the mechanical engineers says mighty mechanical, very proud Royal Mechanical. They came out, there is no job. It's very difficult to get a mechanical job on that type. So people started learning Java. That was a programming language which has come up at that time. A lot of fees need to pay and we have to join there. I also joined Java, but not the program. I learned to ride the Java bike. It was not work out for me. It doesn't work out for me. It is, I tried, I learned, returned the exam, I failed. I told her, okay, computer maybe not my type. Then I moved my senior who was working in a tin factory.
I see.
He told her, come and join. So there in tin factory, almost all the seniors will be diploma. So there have a inferiority complex that engineering people coming and taking over the job. So they purposefully put us in night shift. Lifting the tins to the lathe and all those stuffs. I felt it a year very bad. I told what kind of a job I'm doing. I'm studied engineering and this thing. So I used to crib and thing, and one of my senior who's into marketing, doing all the marketing products for this particular company, has approached me once. Said, you wanna always keep on talking and all. You should not. This is not your line. You should do masters. I told sir, abhi padhai mat. It's enough. मेरा 4 साल engineering किया बहुत मुश्किल से किया. अभी you don't tell me to go and learn masters and all. We will just leave this. He told me, okay, काम करो. तुम shift of department करो. Come to marketing. I told me sir, मेरा देखा है कि मैं how I talk. My slang is entirely different. आप जो उधर जाके बात करेंगे जो और मन निकल जाएगा. बोले ना आ जाओ. He taught me Vamshi Krishna. I'll still allow him because he's the guy who changed my life. He told that come into marketing. Then I started my marketing with him. He goes to presentations. So first time I traveled in flight. Hyderabad, all those things. After coming back and he left the company. It was a big shocker for me that how I'll sustain. Then he joined a telecom company called as Spice. You heard about Spice Telecom at that days. Namma Spice, it's like a particular Kannadiga type of telecom company. The people talk in Kannadas and all those stuffs. There I started my career as a marketing guy into telecom. It gone, then this Vamshi has moved from Spice to some other company, but still I was there. There they started SME vertical. So the SME vertical, mein two things are there. One is sales and second is the service. Service means you have to take even the payments and all those taxes. तो पेमेंट पार्ट में जो रिकवरी है
Hmm.
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I thought like okay fine ये है एक पार्ट. So मेरा मैकेनिकल उधर से खत्म.
Of course.
So now the technical part has gone out of my. I am not seeing that okay there is no opportunity. That time money was required. I want to get to do marriage and also I thought like whatever it come into me I should pick it up. So this I loved, and there the mechanical has been gone to a full stop. Then I'd move to the marketing plus recoveries.
Wow, that's so interesting. Like it's a complete, how would I say, like 180-degree shift. Like from being a mechanical engineer, you became a marketing guy and then eventually into recoveries. So recoveries sound very interesting. So can you tell us more about what your team does exactly?
So recoveries is majorly, as you know, if I want to collect money from you, I have to sit with you, negotiate. If you are not traceable, I have to trace it. So there are two things before recovery. That first, I should understand you. Are you capable to pay? How to handle you? Because every people doesn't like going asking money and all. So we have to set up another strategy for it. People think it's very simple. यार जाना है लेके आना है लेके थोड़ी देगा वो नहीं देगा. So that was a difficult task for us. Earlier days in 2000 and all, recoveries was so it's on other side, not with the customer side. The people who are going for recovery are an upper hand. Any time you can go for recovery. 7 बजे से पहले 8 बजे के बाद मतलब इरिटेट करो. We done recoveries in such a way that रात को 8 बजे जाता है जानबूझ के, early morning चले जाता है irritate करने के लिए. So that was a fashion on that year. Nowadays recovery has become very streamlined. You cannot go before 7. After 6 you cannot go. Go talk to them very politely. Recovery इसी टाइप में मिलता नहीं है, ये था सोच. Now it has been changed. Now a lot of system has been developed. सिबिल टाइप का लोगों को डर हो जाता है कि if I don't make a payment, my name or I won't get further or future loans and all. So this way, team has now changed that okay, fine, identifying the people, making a behavioral science of the person now. Oh, he is a salaried person. Now I can get a money. He is government. So where I have to hit, how to send a notice to which place, which will impact him to get the money. So strategy-wise, recovery has been moved from the local traditional way of going and hitting and coming back. Now it has been changed. So now team have a very clear strategy on segment-wise. Okay, he's working in private sector, how to work. Government, how to work. Businessman, how to talk. Businessman तो बाहुबली होता है ना, दबा के हमको ही खा जाता है. So you have to be very clear how to terms and talk to them. When you talk to them, they ask for waivers. We should be planned in that way. You should upfront plan it. Okay, we are going to a person who's having a business, वो दबा गया, how to talk to them. So strategy wise, we have to plan to do the recoveries now.
So recoveries has become more civilized in a way.
Yes.
So coming to the recovery sector in the insurance department, so in your case, what made you choose Bajaj General? And you have been here for almost 12 years, I believe. So that's a long time, I would say.
So you know that I told I am from South.
Yes.
I mostly worked in South. So the Bajaj, when called for an offer, they told that you have to come to Pune. Being a South Indian, you know that none of the South Indians want to come out of South India.
Of course.
Very comfort, and even they want to grow there only. They want to be president by sitting in South. But it is impossible. They know that, but still they'll fight for it. And South people are thoda introvert. Don't talk too much on that. So when I told Pune, I told I cannot come. So Sanjeev called me, there's an offer. I said, because we both worked together in the previous organization. He told that there's an offer, can you come? I told Vasi, I cannot come to Pune. It is not my forte, that area where Hindi, Marathi and all, which I don't understand. Hindi I can understand, but bilkul nahi, aisa nahi hai, you aa jao. I told, I don't want to choose Bajaj. Then I left. Again, he told, yaar, last time bol raha hu ki aana hai to there is a good opportunity. At least attend the interview. I had an interview with Milind Chaudhary and then Sanjeev. We spoke. Then Milind sir has given me some ideas about. So that time I turned around and looked about Bajaj. Bajaj is a company in Pune, and when I'm just looking, almost all the people, 80% of the people are working here for 7 years, 8 years, 10 years. The tenure make you more comfort, no? That I show that okay, this is an employer company. They give something to them. There is something of a strategy or something which is being good. I told okay, fine. Instead of working with the previous kind of a lot of pressure, stress and all, every day on a stress thing. If you want to come out, I told okay, fine. I'll choose Bajaj as one of the company to work forward in my future. this can because when I choose, I was around 40, 38 kg. I told this going to be my last company, maybe because I'm looking into my age and all. Then my kids. The first was they were from South. They don't know Hindi. My daughter, I think she was on 5th in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. I was living. There you teach Hindi only kai ka gai khanga. So that is what she learned. Suddenly I came over here. I know that she is going to have a big problem. Majorly, she already have a problem because I shifted in almost all the South places. I worked in Trivandrum, I worked in Bangalore, I worked in Hyderabad. Wherever goes, I take the family. Without family,
Of
nothing
course.
for me. So I won't get the comfort because with all the working pressures and all, when you go back to the house, evening somebody should be there. No? We should have that fun. So that was my concept of living. So I told, okay, fine, then I'll ask Sanjeev that, how is the studies there? Then I told, yaar, Pune to educational hub hai. Why should think of that? We can think of a future. You should come. So Pune won on the educational this thing. First on the Bajaj culture, I heard about and what I interacted with the people. That made me to choose. And the kind of role they have been given to me to handle, they told that this is the new department starting. That clicked me. That I told, yeah, a lot of innovation we can do. Maybe my ideas I can implement, because I was working as a regional head in the previous organization. You know that regional heads ka ek limitation hai.
Yeah,
And the
course.
previous organization, I can name that ICC, it's very structured way. They weren't able to reach to the leaders to tell what I want to do. They will download something. It's a mission process. You have to just jump into that. They'll make you non-performer also performs. That is how it works. If a non-performer, then you'll out of the system. This is what out. Here, when I thought, okay, find new, innovative, we can put, strategize, I can put my ideas to build up something. That is how I choose Bajaj, and I'm here for the last 12 years.
Wow, awesome. So you mentioned innovation. So is there any innovative strategy that you are proud of or that you spearheaded?
So I'll tell you, the year when I joined here, 2014 April onwards, that's the first time me and Sanjeev and few people were. We built this investigation loss mitigation. So every project was initially to set up the traditional one. Innovative, when I say the first and feel is that COVID time. When COVID hit, the investigation has been fully stopped. We cannot meet the people, we cannot go into the field and all. We thought how to connect. Then we told, okay, video. That was WhatsApp or Zoom call. The challenge in WhatsApp is that when my investigator does the video, he should video record his own mobile and keep the recording with him.
Of course.
He left, khatam. Evidences or the investigation, fact finding, everything is gone for a toss. We told how to do this. Then we'll Zoom karenge. Zoom mein problem hai, if I were your customer, I want to talk to you. I heard, sir, aapke paas Zoom hai? बोला Zoom को मुझ नहीं है खत्म तो बोले यार you cannot take it forward. We were in so desperate situation that how we stand still हो गया. Then we thought, okay, we will make a platform called as virtual investigation.
Okay.
बैठे बैठे इन्वेस्टिगेशन करें. तो लोग बोले यार ये फ्लॉप होने वाला है. मैं बोले ठीक है सर, पहला चेक कर लेते हेल्थ में, कैशलेस में. So we made a small platform. In that we send the customer a Bitly link. They have to just click, no app, nothing. Click video on. We'll ask that, can I call you on so much? They told, okay, call after 4:30. The scheduler will happen. We will call him, we'll talk, and we can add more people.
Okay.
So this was the first intervention of a video coming into investigation. With baite baite kiya. Then when he thought, when you want to do desktop investigation, not only video, these people who are going to question or the insured should get some intelligence. पर एक मोटर है तो मोटर में जब वो लाइसेंस दिखा रहा है कि सर मेरा ये लाइसेंस है, immediately the license number to be get verified. So we linked with Vahan.
Exactly.
Then somebody showing the GST, we are showing if this is active or non active. तो बैठे बैठे डेस्कटॉप इन्वेस्टिगेशन का एक अलग लेवल लेके आया. So innovation क्यों है? Because of Tapan sir, he says always that we should be the best. We should benchmark others, but we should bring up a new thing. As you are aware, investigation में कभी भी कोई ready-made मिलता ही नहीं. We have to make. We have to put our intelligence to make this way. So we developed the virtual investigation with desktop. Lot of बैठे बैठे अभी information you can get it. वाहन, RC, KYC verification, penny drop system. Okay. Even the most innovative one we have done is that on the health side, which is we called as a particular person get discharged, they get a case summary. In that case summary, you have case summary sheet, the pharmacy bill, the pathology report and all. We have just made a tool which we upload all the three. This tool will do an OCR reading plus some analytic and through and say that, hey, for this particular procedure, the medicine charge is high. For example, for a particular person, there is he is admitted for fever normal. So we say that he should have Dolo 650 for 3 days, 3 times, 3 into 3, 9. But in pharmacy bill, it is shown as 12. So this tool will throw it that they admit for 3 days, the minimal consumption is 9, but it is showing as 12. There's inflation on that. So that innovation also helps my team. So desktop investigation में बैठे we investigation कर रहे हैं.
Oh wow.
So that is the biggest thing. So we call now this is as an InvTech, investigation blended with technology.
Wow.
So we named as InvTech. We are building up robo investigation, voice intelligence, while people talking with emotions and the pressure will create a score and all those things. So innovation, it's all this company. I'll say again, Bajaj is standing out because of this new things. They'll help or say that, okay, go do this. Nah, then we will also get a chance, okay, fine, we can experiment it. They experiment, if it is wrong or what, but still company backs up and say that, okay, you try this, because investigation में ready-made मिलता नहीं.
Exactly. It's a free rein, which is really helpful.
Sure, because otherwise company if you don't give a hand मत करो यार ऐसा कुछ बकवास है, खत्म हो गया. Innovation ही उधर खत्म. So we just said, okay, try. Because I work with great traders like Milan sir, Raman sir, B. Vikramjit Singh. So all this thing, they are all innovating guys है. बोले कि भाई digital वाला ज़्यादा करो, manpower कम करो. You have to, with the same thing, you have to take more volume. Exactly. Work in that way. Build up in such a system that it should help you in a longer run. एक आदमी नहीं है तो बोलना नहीं चाहिए सर bandwidth का problem है. This so should not come. So that is how we are building up this thing. So I'm so happy that I've spared a lot of innovation, but my best I feel is in COVID period, we made the virtual to desktop investigations. We're bringing up a lot of intelligence. That was, I'll say. So a lot of things we are doing it up. Happy to be the part of this company and the part of this AI animations, which the company is new looking at. No, all should be AI or generative AI type. So happy to be with that.
Absolutely, absolutely, sir. So when Sanjeev sir was here as our guest, and you mentioned Sanjeev sir quite a few times, he regaled us with his stories of recoveries. So do you have some interesting stories that you can share with us?
Yeah. So recoveries, as I told that time, even the cuff, no, we don't know how to put it full. We'll always fold it and keep like a gunda. We feel that is a style. No? We just walk into the office. सब लोग हमको देखते हैं. हमारे पास 3-4 लोग होते हैं कि हम चलते हैं, फील्ड में जाते हैं. This was a style. Really, before coming to insurance, I never used to pull the full this thing. ये करते हैं तो लोग बोलते हैं कि ये एक बटन ऐसा खोलते हैं. स्टाइल है ना. So recoveries उस टाइम अर्ली मॉर्निंग जाना है और शाम को जाना है. तकलीफ देना है ना, तकलीफ ही देना है. So one of my feet on street has gone to for recovery. तो particularly was a local politician something. रात को 8 बजे गया, उधर बैठा, उसने बोला यार पैसा नहीं है. He sit there for quite long. Then उसको टॉर्चर किया, उसको फ्रिज खोला, टमाटर खाना खा लूँ, ये सब कुछ किया बंदे ने. ठीक है, ये मैं उनको ना उधर से कॉल आ रहा है, तो मैं बोला यार ये तो क्या कर रहा है. उसने मेरे को फोन किया, तो मैं बोला भाई छोड़ना मत, बैठो. बोले सर और क्या करूँ. मैं बोला मैंने बैठो तुम. वो बोला कि यार गेट आउट ऐसा सब कुछ वो बोल रहा है. वो मेरे को बात कर रहा है. मैं बोला पैसा आपने बोला भाई 3 दिन पहले देने के लिए, अभी पीटीपी प्रॉमिस टू पे कुछ और मीनिंग होता है, तो वो कर ही नहीं रहा है, बैठो. तो श्रीधर बोला सर अभी थोड़ी देर के बाद है ना, मैं इसको ट्राई किया, 1 आधा घंटे के बाद फोन स्विच ऑफ हो गया. ठीक है, तो मैं बोला अच्छा ठीक है, बंदे लोग हैं तो ही विल कम आउट. आई नो दिस पीपल विल कम आउट ऑफ दिस थिंग. मैं थोड़ी देर बैठ के फ़ोन किया तो नहीं आ रहा है, तो मैं रखा. देन आई वांट टू गो फॉर अ मूवी. तो मूवी गया, तो मूवी देख रहा था, तो बीच में एक फ़ोन बज रहा है. तो मैं 3-4 बार हो गया, 4 बार आ गया. मैं बोले कौन है रे मूवी के बीच में इतना लेट में. Then the same number coming for 5th time I picked up. Then it's sir I am Ravindran from Patam Station SI. मैं बोला भाई मैं बहुत सुना हूँ. मेरे को सोचा कि वो जो बंदा बैठा है उसने कुछ अलग कर रहा है. मैं बोला मजाक मत करो, हमको बहुत देखा है, रख ले भाई. सुरेंद्र कल सुबह बात करो. फ़ोन कट कर दिया. उसने फिर से कॉल किया. मैं बोला तेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है क्या. उसने बोला अरे आई एम SI रविंद्रन फ्रॉम पटम. मैं बोला सर रविंद्रन सर समझ में आया, अभी टाइम नहीं है, कल सुबह आऊँ, बात करूँ, अभी तो मैं फैमिली के साथ बाहर हूँ। तो इसने फोन इमीडिएटली कट कर दिया और वो दूसरा नंबर से ये श्रीधर फोन किया, द गाय। ही टोल्ड सर कहाँ पे है? मैं बोला कहीं पे, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बोला सर 1 मिनट, कहाँ पे है आप? तो मैं बोला मूवी देख रहा हूँ यार, इधर इधर है। बोला तुम एक काम करो, कल सुबह मैं ऑफिस में मिलते। ही डिडंट से ही इज बीन कॉट बाय द पुलिस, ठीक है। तो मैं फोन रख दिया, फोन रखा, मूवी चल रहा है। इंटरवल के बाद है ना, ऐसा नाम लिख के आ रहा है, जीवन जॉय प्लीज कम टू द रिसेप्शन। मैं बोला है मेरा गाड़ी तो मैं 2 व्हीलर लेके आया तो कोई ब्लॉक ही नहीं करता है। तो नीचे आया तो 2 लोग उधर रिसेप्शन में, पॉपकॉर्न का उधर होता है ना छोटा वाला, तो उसमें से बोला सर इसको मिलने के लिए। तो आया एक अंकल टाइप का, एक सीनियर पुलिस आया, कांस्टेबल आया कि एक साइड में आ जाओ। बोला साहब फोन कर रहे, तेरे को फोन ही नहीं उठाना आता है क्या? बोला सर साहब था क्या? मैं बोला सर बहुत ऐसा कॉल आ जाता है, क्रैंक वैंग हो जाता है कि। बोले ठीक है 1 मिनट आओ। तो मैंने फोन मेरा पकड़ लिया, मैं 1 मिनट दो, मेरे को एडवोकेट एक कंपनी का, उसको फोन करना है। तब तक उसने फोन खींच लिया और मैं बोला सर अभी इसके साथ आया हूँ, तो मैं जस्ट कम इन माई बाइक। इट ठीक है, पीछे पीछे इसको बिठाया, तो हम दोनों चला गया। पुलिस स्टेशन में गया, ये कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, ही इज मेकिंग मी टू सिट देयर एंड ही इज टॉर्चरिंग द अदर पीपल, है ना। तो मेरे को ऐसा फेस में मैं बहुत गंभीर टाइप का बैठा हूँ, तो नीचे ऐसा शिवरिंग हो रहा है, ठीक है। बोले पटाख मार रहा है, इधर कर रहे थे उधर दे ना। 3-4 घंटा ऐसा बिठाया दे बोले ना। तो मैं सोचा यार आज है ना ये छूटना चाहिए,
मेरा टर्न आएगा
अभी नेक्स्ट मेरा ही है। तो ये सब पकड़ रहा है, तो अभी साइड में देख रहे बिल्डर का, उसको भी पिटा रहा है। बिल्डर का कुछ बोले कि तुमने ये कर दिया, तो वो भी बहुत बड़ा आदमी मेरे को दिख रहा है, बिकॉज गोल्ड वोल्ड पहन के आया, उसको मार रहा है। मैं अभी मेरा ही खत्म हो जाएगा, मैं ना इसको फोन ही नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ। देन फाइनली है ना ये ऐसे ही थोड़ा सा क्वार्टर्स में चला गया। तो मैं वो साइड वाला कांस्टेबल के साथ एक फोन तो करने दे। तो बोले तुम्हारा बहुत नाटक है, तुमको बहुत गुजली है, तुमने ऐसे ही को ये कर दिया क्या? बोले सर ऐसा नहीं, तुम्हारा नाम बहुत बार सुना हूँ, एक बार उठाना चाहिए। बोला कहाँ सुना है ऐसा? तो दैट गाय की, दैट गाय इज अ लोकल पॉलिटिशियन। ही टोल्ड सर इन सबको किसी को छोड़ना मत सर, सबको अंदर का बनाना। इसने घर में ये किया, मेरा घर का खाना खा लिया, ये सबको। मैं बोला अरे यार बेइज्जती बार चालू हो गया था। मैं बोला सर 1 मिनट करो, आई विल टॉक टू देम। देन ही स्टार्टेड, ऐसा ही बोला इसको छोड़ना मत। देन बीच में ये कांस्टेबल वाला सेटिंग हो गया, मैं फोन लिया, एडवोकेट को बुलाया। देन ही टोल्ड सर अभी तो सुबह आके कुछ फायदा नहीं है, बट ही केम एट 3 o'clock। देन उसको ऐसे ही को कनेक्ट किया, सब कुछ कर दिया। बोला से ब्रांच का सेंटर हेड है, कुछ वो मत करो। बोले कि वो सेंटर हेड की तरह बिहेव ही नहीं कर रहा है वो कोई माली गुंडे की तरह बात कर रहा है। तो मैं देन सॉरी बोल के निकल गया। देन अगले दिन वी गॉन एंड सेटल दैट। सो दैट टाइम है ना ये सब कुछ फन होता है, बट ये करते करते है ना बहुत स्ट्रेस होना चालू किया।
Of course.
A lot of calls coming in the night and then we have to go out. तो फैमिली को भी लगा यार क्या काम करता है, हमको भी थोड़ा बाद में ऐसा फील्ड में जाता है ना। फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई टेल यू अ पर्सन हु वी हैव डन अ रिकवरी, बहुत हार्श में बात किया होगा मैंने और रिकवरी लिया होगा, उनको मैं मिलता हूँ मेरे फैमिली के साथ और उनके फैमिली के साथ कई मूवी में या कई जगह पे, बहुत एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट आता है ना। वो बोला कि सारे इसने मेरा ऐसा ही कर दिया। तो मेरे को ये थोड़ा आगे जाके ना मेरे को लगा यार ये थोड़ा प्रॉब्लमैटिक होने वाला है, मेरे को बेइज्जती टाइप का ज्यादा होगा। सो दैट इज व्हाट आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर अ चेंज। वी वर्कड इन लॉट थिंग। That is how luckily the industry started investigation. Industry investigation start किया, so I think they picked up recovery peoples. मैं बहुत बार सोचा कि why recovery? तो मेरे को आइडिया मिला, when I talked to my earlier boss also, that why you picked up people from recovery, why not from other sector? तो उन्होंने बोला जीवन एक काम ये है कि मार्केटिंग बंदा जो मार्केटिंग को कुछ you want to sell some product, they will come to you, he said I don't want, and they will to another guy, है ना. You can have an option to choose. Recovery में if I want to recover, I have to recover from you only. I have to negotiate. If you are not in the address, I have to trace you. तो आपका ना इंस्टिक्ट और ब्रिलियंस बढ़ जाएगा, हमारा बहुत ये। तो उसने बोला ये सोच के लिए we have picked up the recovery people. So thank God that time investigation started. Otherwise हम तो गुंडा मावाली टाइप का हो जाता है ना, जैसा छोटा राजन जैसा छोटा जीवन टाइप का कुछ होके हम भी गैंगस्टर बन जाते हैं मैडम।
Thank God recovery has become more civilized as well. Absolutely. So moving on to our next question. So you mentioned while you were speaking that you had moved to different cities, like a lot of different cities because of your jobs. So which city is your favorite and what cities have you traveled?
I traveled in almost all the southern major, and the city I love is Bangalore, where I find my love of my life.
Oh.
So my wife was my junior. We both studied in the same engineering college, and we roamed like anything in Bangalore. So every nook and corner of Bangalore, we love it. Okay. So my desire also was to want to stay back, but there are a lot of job situations I got, but still love that place. If I tell you about the food and all, I still love Kerala. Okay.
Kerala,
When you are there in that place, you don't like it. When you go out of Kerala, then you again go back and feel, wow,
nostalgic.
what a place you have stayed in. So that misses there, the food, the kind of, the variety of food. Because you know, Mallus eat from morning, they start with non-veg. Na?
Same, Bengalis
So,
as well.
Bengalis. So with Apa Motagari, they start, they eat everything, whatever they want in life. So that condition, no, we get restricted when you move out of this, because the restriction हमारे लिए नहीं, बाकी के लिए.
Of course.
I don't like, maybe the other people feel, मेरे को थोड़ा लग रहा है ये इनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है क्या, मैं तो खाना खा रहा हूँ. In lunch also I cannot bring non-veg. People will like, यार ये सब लोग वेज खाता है.
Yeah, judgmental.
Judgmental होता है ना, तो इसलिए मैं भी थोड़ा सा पीछे हटता हूँ. वैसा एक इंसिडेंट बता रहा हूँ. When I am gone to Singapore, so गाइड जो जब उतरा तो उसने बोला, how many are veg and how many are non-veg. तो लोग ने हाँ वेज तो है, आपने बोला you are the veg like Wednesday, Monday, Thursday wala veg, yeah, all day veg. Even they know that. Here people are like, bro, someday they'll say today fasting hai sir. Fasting mein pelte kha lete hai.
I know.
They eat lot of, our fasting is nothing to eat. So this also made me very difficult. That like city I like is Bangalore for your question, and the cuisine is Kerala wala.
Of course. And it must be so different, right? Like in Pune compared to Kerala, it's a southern region, and then shifting to Pune, you know, different weather, different food, different culture. So yeah, like you mentioned that you miss the food of Kerala.
So Pune, I loved it only for the weather, because it's similar like Bangalore.
Yeah, it's very, very nice.
Very nice with Bangalore. Nowadays it is slightly getting bad, but earlier days when I here in 2014, it was very good, less traffic, good climate, nice air, no pollution, nothing. It's good. So comparing on that, food, I still say it's not that.
No offense.
No offense. No. This we have to go.
So moving on to the next question, and moving on to the personal side of your life. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do at the end of the day?
So I love hearing music, because that is the easiest job. Now, otherwise, if I say cricket and all, you say that a lot of activities are there. I love cricket playing, but I love to hear music. And the first and foremost is not music. I want to sit with my family. I particularly do that on weekends. No, I'll ensure that I should be with them, fully dedicated. Even I'll tell to Sanjeev also, please bear with me on Saturday and Sunday, which I'll dedicatedly give to that. And with them, I have to roam around, okay, to travel, because in small drives also we go. Mahabaleshwar tak ke wapas aa jata hai. So we eat on Saturday, Sunday. With family we all go together. That is one. And hearing music and one.
Okay.
I played a lot of cricket. I played for Bangalore University and all.
Wow.
So, but after coming, I think to the thing, I didn't get time. This should have a dedicated time for this and a free mind on this. I'm slightly lazy to get up in the morning, maybe in that way. So I'm not doing that. But music, still, I love A.R. Rahman. And I was very crazy when I was in college and all, when the releases in 1993, I think the first Roja has given me the break, that what kind of a music.
Yes,
From started following up between low, but still I love him. I want to, because still now I say na, the concert uska dekha nahi hai.
He's coming to Pune. Yeah,
so in that day also I have not here. तो मेरे को लगता नहीं कि ये हो जाता है ना, तो अनला की बहुत सबसे ज्यादा प्यार करते उसको मिलने का टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है, या कुछ तो हो जाता है. So still I want to meet them or hear a concert of them, but I love hearing the music and with the family. This is what I can say.
Absolutely. So you mentioned movies. So what kind of music do you love?
Music in the sense that in Roja type, you know that?
Yeah.
Romantic, romantic वाला, थोड़ा सा soft है. बहुत आवाज वाला मेरे को ये नहीं आता है. थोड़ा soft and romantic one. Movies I love thrillers, crime thriller type का है. शायद मैं investigation में उसलिए होगा, पता नहीं, but and comedy movies, yeah. Because even I am in that kind, because I without or a smile I cannot talk to somebody. Whenever I talk, automatically from mind it will come with some of the other comments will be second joking type thing. मेरे को comedy थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. And crime thriller मैंने बहुत almost all movies जो है, कोई भी in any language it will come. I make that I should watch this.
What was the recent crime thriller you watched?
That is Family Man.
Absolutely. What a cliffhanger, I must say. Like
Arey,
season 4 will come after 2 years, they're saying. How can we wait?
Because the way it has been taken,
Yeah.
all the thing has been changed. Earlier versions have a different thing. It has gone to a different one. I didn't think that. They spent a lot of money going out here and there and shooted it very well. It is fantastic. I'll say that if you have time in Hotstar, there is a web series called as in Malayalam it is, but you can convert Kerala Police.
Kerala Police. Okay.
You have to watch it. There's a 2 series has been come. Even you will like it. Similar like a Family Man Wow movie, Wow series. Sorry, and you should watch it in that way.
Yeah, but another question that I had in my mind. So, since you're an investigator, so when you watch such thriller movies, don't you find some inaccuracies? कि अरे ऐसा तो नहीं होता है real life में, and does that not take away from the joy of watching?
I will tell you that जैसा when they people do know the tracking people immediately.
हाँ, exactly.
जिंदगी में होता नहीं है ऐसा. नहीं हम भी ट्राई कर रहे हैं यार. हम भी जिस ने एक्सीडेंट कर रहा है बोला I was this, then I want to track that whether he was here or not. The people immediately कर लेते हैं, है ना? So that is something. But वो मूवी के साथ में देखने में वो मजा है तो बोलते हैं ठीक है चलो. Then we will also put in that like oh मैं ही करता तो अच्छा था. Something of that sort. So we relate it. And all these movies na all this has from some novel.
Of course.
उसमें से कुछ kind of this thing. So hints मिलता है. New technology use करते तो that also will help me to understand okay ऐसा कुछ आ गया. अभी ज़्यादा जेंसी ज़्यादा ये सिस्टम में बहुत देखता है ना नया. मेरा बेटी भी बोलते हैं ये आ गया पता है? बोला नहीं पता. क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग इन्वेस्टिगेशन में? So something of that sort. So this also will help us because I don't have time to. I'm not a book reader. As I told hobby में वो है ही नहीं. तो किसी ने जो बोलता है if I talk to you say that there is a new thing come, that is an information for me. Then I'll work on that. तो मैं थोड़ा चूसी करके लेसी है ना भाई तो इसलिए बाकी सबसे लेके थोड़ा काम करता हूँ.
Nice. So we have almost come to the end of our episode and we will like to conclude by asking you one final question. And you have answered it partly before, but still, what do you think makes the Bajaj General culture unique?
Wow, good one. First, I'll say the open door policy. You can approach to any leader, anytime when you have a problem. Second, I say that this company have set up a lot of committees for looking into different issues. If I put an example, reserve committee. We discuss about the reserves of the company. What all going outliers, what we can discuss. All the leaders are spending a day for it, discussing on that, which obviously make this company different from others. There are a lot of committees. AI committee, only for artificial intelligence there is a committee. Discussing innovative committee. People are coming and talking about innovation. Even I'm getting something from that. No, even I can put that. So is it possible? So the tech people will say that this is not possible yet. But ideas can throw off. You are getting a platform to present something. बाकी कंपनी कहाँ है कि लीडर तो तपन सर को मिलना ही मुश्किल हो जाता है. एमडी को मिलना इट्स नॉट. रिजर्व कमेटी में आए इज वेरी कूलली टॉकिंग एंड गिविंग डायरेक्शन टू इट. ही कॉल बाय माय नेम एंड से दैट जीवन दिस इज बैड, तुमने क्या किया. सो दिस विल इम्प्रूव माय करियर वाइज समथिंग एज द एज गोज. व्हेन एज गोज ना पीपल इनोवेटिव या कुछ नहीं करेगा ना खत्म. दैट इज व्हाई पीपल आर सेइंग दैट at 50 दैट ये बंदे को नहीं चाहिए. आज आई एम कॉम्पीटिंग विद द जेंसी and I have to adapt them. The people of Gen Z who coming with the MTs and all, we have a lot of pickup. They have a character that morning आ जाओ 5 बजे के मेरे कॉल मत करना. कॉल करेगा तो वो लोग तुझसे बोल सर पेट में दर्द है या पीठ में दर्द है कुछ तो बोलेगा. सो सैटरडे कॉल करेगा बोला कि बुढ़ा सर मैं अभी निकला मैं लैपटॉप ही नहीं लिया. We are another thing when my calls up. So now I want to adapt them. I have to make sure that they should complete my work within 5 days.
Exactly.
I should utilize them within the 5 working days. How to do that? But they are innovative people. So to make them that, I'll also think. So I'm becoming more enga. Okay, I'm just okay to compete karna hai, so I become more innovative on that side. This company gives that. They are bringing a mix of new people. It's not that they'll keep all the older one into the team. They also see na abhi 41 ke above kitna hai. HR also works in that way. Mix karo. That will actually makes it very unique. This company, open door. Meeting the leader at any time, taking their guidance, we really make the people. Because मैं जो MT को बोलता यार तुम initially है ना the pressure and later you will feel so funny that what was that. You are going to make a big thing in this company. All the people who I'll say that for this company, be innovative. This company will take you to heights, which I as my personal thing. I joined as a manager. Today I'm a associate senior vice president. Because my age is 51. So you have to think that how company is giving, because I'm giving something to them.
Of course, of course.
The company is giving me a chance. And all the company doesn't give that. But present karo. AOP bana raha hai, LRS bana raha hai. Why? Chance. But then Sanjeev also have a culture to call all the team and ask that अपना आइडिया भेज दो. AOP के पहले कौन करेगा? वो कोई कंपनी नहीं, बोला अपना 4 बॉस बैठेगा रात को और बनाएगा यही स्ट्रैटेजी. ही इज आस्किंग द टीम, यार भाई तुमको क्या तकलीफ है बताओ. Then that we are strategizing. Then you tell leaders, you think in that way. So he is putting a culture. When we go to Vikram, he have another thing. Raman sir को अलग है कि यार profitability देखने के लिए और ये करने के लिए कर दो. तो learning is always there. Chances of empowerment is very high here. Anytime leader, different committee makes this company very much unique.
Yes.
I'm happy that I should retire from here. I should. So that is what this thing. I love this company because multiple companies I work, but this is what the company giving. It is not like pampering or something. I'm saying there is an opportunity. I'm just every day I'm coming with new things. It's like that. So that is what this company put you in such a level that hey, कुछ नया लेके आओ, तुम ये नया करो, पुराना उनको छोड़ दो, जो किया है हो गया, उसका 1 साल तक बोलते रहेंगे तो अच्छा नहीं लगता. So there people will come on that.
True.
So amazing company, Bajaj General, है ना. So that is happy to work here.
Absolutely, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being our guest and adding more joy to our Jeevan. And if you're curious to watch Sanjeev Dwivedi's episode, check out the 14th episode of Cabin Chronicles, link in the description. And thank you for watching this episode, and stay tuned for another episode of Cabin Chronicles where careers and curiosity collide. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.